Does anybody like these? Little Swiss rolls? I love them. Nom 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 nom. Oh, alright, so if anybody know anything about motorcycles, you probably know the Gixxer probs. Well, with this bike though, 607, it's the stator. For some reason they thought it'd be a good idea to put it right here above the header in between the radiator, and it's just this is a hot mess. So it cooks it, but it's trash. Oh, yeah, it's just trash. Anyway, so bought a heavy duty kit, right? Same thing, only tougher. Same thing, only tougher. And I'm pretty much just gonna double side tape it in there like that, because double side tape is incredible. And yeah, then I gotta fix that little issue where the check engine light's on, because I did this clean air mod, which I'll show you. See, it's just this hose connected through and through. Instead of it going to this little doodad and then going up into the air box, I just closed off the hole of the air box, and then yeah, left it like this and took it out. Weight reduction. But all you gotta do to fix it is wire that hot so that it reads that it's there, because that's all it does. What else? Yeah, and the little gizmo thingamajigger that I'm gonna put up here isn't here yet. This came first. The big package came first, but that's okay. Yeah, so I'm not gonna video me doing all this, because that's just awkward wearing my helmet or trying to figure out a way to put the camera where you can't see me. You can see what I'm doing, or maybe I will, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna tear into it and see if I can finish it tonight so I can ride this weekend. Woo! Ha! I know, right? Zip ties. They make a bracket for it too. It's like 30 bucks. Maybe I'll get it later, but I don't really care. I double side tape it and I put it on. It was perfect. And I was like, well, what if it gives up and just falls off or something? I was like, I'll just zip tie it for safekeeping. And it is definitely not going anywhere. So whatever, I don't care. And then I did this. So see, that's nice and professional, and this is totally not. But it's gonna work. Got this old one out. You can see it's a little burnt right there, but that's not totally unusual. It's probably still good, but you know, trash. And there's a new one, and now I gotta put some, you know, some gasket sealer there, and the new seal, and put it together, and then you'll see. Alright, it's all in. Now I just gotta put the airbox back on, plug the little things back together, and it should be straight, and then we'll be ready to rip. Alright, kiddos, now we got our little voltmeter here. We set it to that little V, then that little 20, right? And then click, click, right? Okay, right about 13. Okay, that sounds about right. This thing's supposed to be sitting at like 14.3 or something like that. Well, you know what? You just stay there. So what we'll do is start it, and then stick this here. That's there. That's where it should be. And then when I rev it, it shouldn't really go above 0.4. Perfect. Before, I just gave it like a, and it shot to 17. We're good to go. Woo! Litty titty. Gotta put up all the tools because I want to find them next time I need them. You go in there, you go in there, you go over here. You stay there. You go down there. You go up there. You go here. You go there. You go there. You go there. You go there. Oh, no. Dangerous. You go there. You go there. Wait. Dangerous. Dangerous. You go here. You go down there. You go down there. You go down there. You go in there. You go there. Oh, and you. God dang it. Open the wrong door. Don't you hate it when you do that? You feel like you're about to have a heart attack. Especially when it's always that drawer. I always screw that drawer up. You'd think I'd know where the hammers go by now, but nope. I grab that first drawer every time. God dang it. God dang it. Oh. Now to dispose of now to dispose of the trash correctly. Piece of junk. Perfect. Oh. Alright, Brass. Catch y'all in the next one where we're going to be ripping. We're going to be flying. Gosh, that's too loud. Okay, bye.